Okay, so here I am. I'm using Screencastify because I need to show my laptop. So sorry if I'm not looking directly at the camera. It's because I need to look at my computer to be able to search things. I search it up here in this bar. And it already comes up for me because I've searched it before. And then it should automatically take you to this page right here. So it has a little slide thingy, I guess I'd call it. Some of these links aren't done. So I'm sorry, these links I haven't put in yet. It's because I'm almost done, but I'm not 100% done, but I wanted to let you know that I do have a website. That link is done, so that link will take you to my YouTube channel.
Speaking of her YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe right away, guys. Thanks.
And then there's this link that tells you about my channel. You hit show more, and there it is. And there's also a little thing that you can hover over. It says this website is under construction because I'm not 100% done with it. Then you can go to the next page. So this is the about page. This is just a little summary. I'm not going to read it right now. This is where you can fill out questions, concerns, or video ideas. So I'm just going to say my first name is, I created a email that I'm going to be using in this video. So if you're wondering why I'm using this name, it's because it has to do with my email. So video ideas, yes or no. If you don't have video ideas, you just type your comments. If you do have a video idea, click on this little drop down. You can do any of these. I'm just going to select this one because it's the first one. And then if you choose other, you can explain it. Or if you choose one of these, you can still explain it. Then when you're done, you send it in, and I get a notification on my phone. So this page is where you can watch some of my videos on my website. It's only going to be these two videos as a little preview. But basically, hey guys, you can play one of my videos from YouTube. So there's that. And then here is what I'm most proud of because it took me the longest. This is where you can actually create your own account. And and sometime in the near future, I'm going to add being able to post things. So if you make your own account, then you can be ready for that. So like I said, I made a fake email just for this video. So, and then you create a password, and then you hit join the community, and you hit submit, and it might load for a while, and then it'll come up. Then you can click on my account. You can look at your profile, and I'm still working out a few bugs, so I'm sorry if it makes you redo it. This is a good time for me to show you. You can also do login if you're not a new member. So login, and here it is. Now you should be able to open your account, and it should show this little bar where you have your profile. You can actually click on profile, and you can kind of write a little bio. So I'm just gonna write, hi, this is, and then you can even upload a file. This photo that I was using for a thumbnail. You can have a little photo. You can add a video. I'm not gonna add a video though. So you get what I mean. Then also edit your profile. You can add a profile picture. You can add pretty much any photo. It doesn't even have to be a photo of you. I'm just gonna add that and save. So that is the profiles. You can also make your profile private if you don't want it public. You can go to events, and sometime in the future, the reason I didn't take off the events is because sometime in the future, maybe there will be an event, or maybe I'll turn this into a little area where everybody can post. I mean, that's what I'm going to do, but maybe you can talk about events there. So You can also change your account info. So let's say you don't want it to use this email, or you want to add a phone number. And when you're done, hit update info and it'll tell you that it was updated. And that is pretty much it for my site. But I just wanted to show you guys a little about I just wanted to show you guys my site and talk a little bit about it, because I've been working really hard on doing it and I'm very proud of it. So I will put the link to my site in the description. But the website is liviagoodman.com. I'm going to add another section in the near future, so stay tuned. And I think it would be best if you did create an account, because like I said, then you'll be ready for anything that comes in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and visit my site if you want. If you have any video ideas, comments, questions, concerns, whatever, you can visit my site and send me feedback, or you can just comment down below, whatever one you choose, and I'll try to reply to everybody's feedback that they send through the website, but I might miss some. So maybe if I don't reply to the feedback, then comment down below. But anyways, I really hope you have enjoyed this video.